not trying to spend $300. We trying to make $300. Sheesh. Unboxing. Thriller. Extrait de Parfum. Cologne. Maison Asrar. Is that how you pronounce it? Maison Asrar. Asrar. And let's open up this other one. And let's see what we working with. Imagination Cologne. Arabiat Prestige. Marwa. Eau de Parfum. And French Avenue Aromatics. I'm trying to show you guys, but Frostbite Aromatics. Which one do you guys want to smell first? Let me know. Hey, man. You pull it out that sack. Pause. Yes, sir. All right, we'll do the cows one. If you guys heard a cow, leave a like. Show them some love. I'm sure making these fragrances are not easy. But we'll do cows first. I don't know if you guys heard or seen the bottle, but it's one that I like. Black bottle. And why do I like black bottles? I like black bottles because usually they're darker, mysterious, more sexy in my opinion. For sure. For sure. This is going to be the box. Just so you know it's legit. Oh. Verification sticker. Typical box, nothing crazy. Probably like a typical designer. Nice little pop-up. All that noise in. Boom. That's what the bottle's gonna look like. Thriller, Cal Cologne. Let's get straight into it. Let's not waste any time. But cool bottle though. It feels kind of heavy. You know, it's got like a smooth, matte, little noise right here. Little texture. It's like plasticky. Doesn't feel super premium, but it doesn't feel cheap either. Let's see, the cheapest thing about this is probably the cap. But I like it, man. This bottle looks cool. Can't smell anything, and let's get straight into it. I got the fan going, so let me turn it down a little bit just to not mess with the sprays or anything. And let's get into it. Ba, 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 ba. Bow. Woo! Okay, that's a good spray. Shot up. Word. Okay, so folks asking if this is a dupe or original. Antonio, I got you, my boy. So he collabed with this company, Maison Asrar, that's supposed to be like a new upcoming like dupe company that they started not too long ago, maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. And they've been blowing up the market. They've come out with a lot of good. Maybe you heard of Gulf Orchid. They've done some really good fragrances, and so I guess he tag teamed with this company and he made his favorite fragrance, which is YSL's number 6. It's an all black bottle, similar like this one. If you go on Fragrantica and you look it up, YSL number 6, or if you just type in 6, um, it's gonna be from the private collection line, and you don't hear a lot of hype about it. It's also a very expensive fragrance, so maybe that could be a reason. Maybe. But that's one that he claims to be like his favorite. So I guess he collabed with these people and try to make that fragrance. And off the air, I am getting some resemblance to something. And that's going to be Latafa Liam Gray. I got that bad boy right here. Right here. Latafa's Liam Gray. I get like that black tea note almost. That's the only thing that I can think of. It might be the cardamom slick with some florals or something. That might be it, but there's something in this juice that reminds me a little bit, a very little bit, something that's in here. And I'm not exactly sure what that is, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on skin. Oh man, that spray is blast. It's good. Definitely a really good spray compared to a lot of other dupes. Woo! And on skin, it smells different. And on skin, it smells different. Bruh. That's crazy. That's so crazy. All right. So, y'all just saw me. I sprayed it in the air. Smelled good. I got like this ambery sweetness that I do like. That Bulgari Man in Parfum also has too. It has this ambery sweetness, but that reminded me of this Liam Gray too. It's like this black tea note or something. Bro. Leather and sweetness and amberiness, I would say. Ambery sweetness and leather. Smells masculine. You want to smell masculine? This is it. From a scale 1 to 10, I ain't gonna hold you. Off rip in the air, I liked it more. I'll give it like a 7. 7 on skin. In the air, let's go like 7.5, and on skin 7. This is a good fragrance. Smells good. Quality off the rip. This is not like one of those colognes that you gotta wait. This is definitely one that smells pretty good off the rip. So that's good. I'm thinking over time this has got to smell better. But yeah, so far good. It's not super strong. It's not like some like this Bulgari Tiger or something that we've talked about earlier. That might be a little pungent, a little spicy, a little strong in the front. I would say this bad boy right here smells pretty smooth. But that leather, if you're familiar with leather, sometimes it's present. It's present. It's not super animalic like the Cedrat Boisé. Not dusty. I'm not really getting a lot of dustiness. Maybe some for sure. Some powderiness. But not a lot for sure. Argentina, my boy. Shout out to Argentina. Yeah, bro. I love the steaks. Y'all make some good steaks, man. Cap. No cap. Good steaks, man. Y'all go hit up Argentina steakhouse. Y'all gonna love it. Take your girl there. Take your girl there. Yeah, man, it's good. I like it. I'm not too upset with that. That's cool. For me, you like amber and leather. This might be for you. You like amber leather, that type of vibe. You might like this. This is a little gourmandier, a little bit sweeter in my opinion. But it's like I'm getting a little bit of that amberiness, sweetness that I keep telling you that you keep sniffing for in here. In here. It's good. It's good. It's got like a little fresh, a little bit of like aromatic freshness. Very little in the background, so it's not making it like super leathery or dark, and it smells well balanced, man. Shout out to him. Shout out to Cal, man. You did your thing on this one. I think this one's gonna open up a lot of people's eyes to that YSL number 6. And I think you brought something to the market for those people who like that type of scent, that don't want to spend that type of money. Um, did your thing, my boy. You did your thing. New Invictus Absolute has some good leather. Okay. I've definitely smelled some with some good leather. With some good, at least because leather is not a super love for me. But if it's blended really nice, it's not super prominent, brings a nice masculinity to it. Amber leather, baby. That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting. I'm not really getting much. I mean, there's some other like notes in here in the Cal Cologne's Thriller, but amber leather. That's pretty much what I'm getting.
Like and subscribe.